My zipper came apart here. This bottom part came on that. Not supposed to do that. I could move it up. Then it just comes apart. So what happens is down in that crack there, hopefully you can see that wears over time and zip it up and down. So what I'm going to do is what you can do is take and a needle nose pliers and get in there and push that down, but really, and to both sides there. And I would do that side too, but it's hard to determine how much pressure I'm putting on that. So what I like to do is take a pretty big flat or straight screwdriver, put it on one side, and then take a small hammer and just give it a little bit of a tap. I'm going to do the right side. Let's see how that works. That still comes apart. I'm going to give it another tap. Or two. Oops. You don't want to go down too far because then the zipper will be really hard to move. So let's run that down. See if I can get this. Oops. Move that up. Get that end. I don't know if I'm going to be able. There we go. Maybe that'll work. Okay. What I found too is sometimes I don't get this slid all the way down into here, and that can cause a malfunction. Pulling that apart, and that seems really good. The zipper seems to work fine. It's not hard to move. So, and it, you know, this one too may not be worn. It may have been that I just didn't get this lined up, but I've had other zippers that have been worn, and they would just, you'd zip them up, and then if you just pulled on this part, pulled here, those would just open right up. So that, by pounding that down, that should repair that problem where they're not getting, those teeth aren't getting pinched together well enough. So yeah, easy fix. And sometimes the zipper will even wear to the point where you can't fix it anymore. And right here you can see that groove, and then when I was pounding on that, I was pushing that together a little bit. But you can actually buy replacement zippers. And but be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.